Keeping the neighbors happy means eliminating overspray and other smells. So today, we're going to put the Global Industrial 1000 CFM air scrubber to the test. The dirty air, or overspray, enters here and goes through a series of filters including active charcoal and exits here. And they do make a plastic hose that fits this perfectly and can extend up to 32 feet. We'll be cutting in a hood and a fender with Nason acrylic enamel and Bulldog adhesion promoter, which is pretty smelly stuff. This is how we'll be using it today, the air entering here and exiting under the door. After the first coat, this is 1 minute after spraying. And once again, this is a minute after spraying. I did modify the setup so only filtered air leaves the building. As a hobbyist or a homeowner, you can legally paint up to 2 cars a year and maintain possessions with paint, but it's always good to respect your neighbors and your health with virtually zero overspray in the garage. The way it's set up now is the filtered air exits here and the clean air comes in right here. The Global Industrial Air Scrubber completely filters all the air in this building in under 4 minutes, and the optional active carbon filter virtually eliminates odors. As stated earlier, it moves 1,000 cubic feet of air per minute. This building has about 4,000 cubic feet, so it clears it out fast.